So here we go, we're just jacking up my waste here. So I push the mud in. It's taken 5 seconds to mix my mud. Pack it in. Pack the mud in. I'm just setting my waste and it's there, it's done. When I come in the morning, it's all, my mud is dry, it's solid. Push it under the tile. Nice. If you've got pre-mixed sand and cement, which I always have because I use for my floors bagged stuff, bagged sand and cement, I reckon it's the best. You try and the bagged sand and cement that I use for screeding bathroom floors, you try and jackhammer it up a year or two later. You need a bloody big jackhammer, I tell you, because it dries so strong. Which I had this floor. They'd screeded it properly with good I'd say it was the bagged stuff, because I come on to some bathroom floors and whoa, I could take it up with a shovel. It's that crapolo. But anyway, my bagged stuff, you try and take that up after a year or so. You need a damn big jackhammer. So we'll just tap that in there. Right, now that's nice to walk on in tomorrow morning when I come back and I'm doing my walls. So I'll just give it a bit of a wipe with a wet sponge and we're good to go, and I'll carry on working out to the door. This I'll just chuck in the rubbish. Okay, so see ya, bye.